The 41st Pacific Islands Forum was held in Port Vila, Vanuatu from the 4th to the 5th of August, attended by heads of states and governments of 11 island nations. 4 countries were represented by their high-level officials and special envoys, as leaders from those countries are currently in preparation and election campaigns. Leaders expressed their deep gratitude to the Prime Minister, government and people of the Republic of Vanuatu for the excellent arrangements made in hosting the meeting. They also endorsed the Port Vila Declaration on accelerating progress on the achievements of the Millennium Development Goals. Climate change also remained on top of the agenda as one of the greatest threats to the livelihoods, security and well-being of the peoples of the Pacific, who called for urgency in reduction of emissions. Acknowledgements were also given to the government of Japan for the provision of $66 million to the Forum Island countries out of the Pacific Environment Community Fund. The Pacific Plan Annual Progress Report 2010 was also presented, with a number of key achievements made implementing priorities that had been endorsed by the Forum in August of last year. Discussions of fisheries prompted the need to maximize returns from the resources through their sustainable conservation and management for fundamental long-term socio-economic well-being and stability of the region. Progress made with PESA Plus was also welcomed, and there was an endorsement of framework for action on energy security in the Pacific, and they also reaffirmed their commitment to renewable energy and energy-efficient future based on achievable and practical voluntary targets. The next Pacific Island Forum Leaders Meeting will be held in New Zealand from the 6th to the 9th of September 2011, which will also mark the 40th anniversary of the Pacific Island Forum.